love most about teaching on this degree and in this department is that students already arrive deeply engaged with politics. They already care about politics. They already want to make a difference. Our programme has just been revamped and totally redesigned from the ground up. We've made sure that every single module and every single part of the course now accommodates and reflects all of the changes that have been happening in the world recently, but it has also got that long historical lens. So you'll be starting with some core introductory modules in your first year, travelling all the way through to mastery by the time you end your programme with the specific modules on offer to you. From your very first year, you're going to be exposed to a range of assessment types that are going to be very much based on real-world policy problems. These aren't just traditional essays, right? There will be some of those, but they're also going to be creating policy briefings or intelligence briefings. You're going to develop digital presentations. You're going to work in teams. These authentic assessments are actually going to mirror what you'll do in real life, whether that's in a policy setting or a professional setting, in government or in international relations. We've got world-leading experts in a range of different topics, both in politics and also in international relations, both national and global. Our research informs our teaching, but also, and I think importantly, our teaching informs our research. Our work with you, our conversations with you, the things that we do in lectures, but also in the small group seminars, really does shape the kinds of ideas and the kinds of things that we take into our research. This is one of the best things about working in this department, I think. We're one of the largest politics and international relations providers in the UK right now. This is a vibrant and energetic department. Being in Wales will give you the Cardiff advantage. This department is going to give you unique opportunities to make links and take advantage of the links we already have with places like the Senedd and local Welsh and government organisations. And more importantly, you'll get to be part of a thriving, supportive community. When I see that light bulb moment, right, when a student suddenly sees a familiar issue through an unfamiliar lens, or suddenly has a whole new set of analytical tools to unpack or unpick that issue that they thought they knew, that's really rewarding for me. That's one of the reasons I keep doing this.